Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis on NIO. So to get straight into it, it is starting to come into a level I'm starting to pay attention to. So if you can see on the left we have a 6 month, on the right we have a 1 year chart. What we're waiting for, literally this alert is about to go off. When we did previous analysis videos on this is what I was paying attention to, as to what deviation will we come to first. Looks like we're going to flip bearish. We're coming down to the support. We're coming down to this 52-week low again. We kind of got this supply zone over here between kind of this, the main bit being around $9. So if we come down to $9, again, might look for the intraday kind of trade on this, kind of play against it, look for that bounce for the intraday. But really what I'm waiting for is kind of that overall bigger move to the downside and then looking to flip long bias, again, most likely through an option way, whether that's debit spreads, credit spreads, or just outright options around $8. Now, if we break that and we continue low, I have next supports coming into at $6. Then going through there would be $4, and they're really the two key supports I'm paying attention to. Lower than that, unlikely that we're going to see 70 cents on a stock like this. Now, so those are the key supports I'm paying attention to. Again, $9 we do have marked, but that is not a standard deviation channel. So again, a bit more risk on taking this level. And I'll even change the color because again, this is probably just going to be a bit more of a day trade. Just something I would be looking at. Yeah, again, quite an obvious supply zone here, basically to the cent. So again, just kind of hitting some call options. If it breaks down by, maybe 15 cents cut out of the calls, won't be losing too much. But if we do get that nice bounce, we could be looking for some good upside. So that's what I'm paying attention to. Now, if we start to push back to the upside, between the area of around $12 and $11, this is statistical mean. So again, this is just fair value. Never look to trading, well, I'm never looking to trade a stock within this range because again, it's fair value. I want it to move to an extreme either side, because then we can look to play the reversal and back to kind of a more realistic price level. Now, if we break statistical mean, we do have resistances at $16 and $16.60. Again, these are quite close. We're looking at them more as a range than individual levels. And that would really be what I'd be paying attention to. And then at an extreme, if we did break, we have another level at 20. But again, it looks more likely that we're going to push to the downside. So that's more what I'm paying attention to coming into this week. So I hope you enjoyed the breakdown on NIO. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.